wish you all a happy Rath Yatra. Puri is one of the temples of India which is known for its mysterious facts. According to tales, the secret of the death of Lord Krishna is hidden inside the temple. Jagannath Temple is known for some mysteries that defy any scientific explanation. So come, let's know the 10 mysteries of Jagannath Temple, Puri. As the legend goes, the Lord Jagannath Temple was originally built by King Indradyumna after Lord Vishnu blessed him in his dreams and guided him to find Nila Madhava. Historically speaking, the antiquity of Jagannath can be taken to the 2nd century BC when Kharavela was the emperor of Kalinga, which is Odisha's ancient name. Besides, there are some strange and unique facts about this temple which we have tried to highlight in our piece. Check them out and be surprised for yourself. Mystery number 1. A natural no-fly zone. Is it not strange when you find the sky absolutely clear, devoid of any birds, aeroplane or anything that can fly? That's exactly the scene above the temple. Literally, nothing can be observed flying above the temple, not even a single bird. There has been no scientific explanation for it yet, but we would really like to know, and we are sure you must be curious too. Mystery number 2. Define the power of the wind. Astonishingly, the flag at the top of the Jagannath temple always waves in the opposite direction in which the wind is blowing. Define the natural scene wherein any piece of cloth waves as per the course of the wind. The flag mounted at the top of the Jagannath temple in Puri makes a unique exception of waving in the opposite direction. There hasn't been any scientific theory until now to back up this process. Mystery number 3. The climb to change the flag. Every single day, without any fail, a priest of the temple has to climb the temple's dome, which has a height equivalent to that of a 45-story building, in order to change the flag. No protective gears are used by the priest while climbing, and it's all done using bare hands. In fact, this particular ritual is older than many civilizations, and it's almost been 1800 years. It's also said that if the ritual is skipped even for a day, the temple will have to be shut down for a long period of 18 years. What a sight to behold! Mystery number 4. A shadowy fact about the Jagannath temple in Puri. Have you come across any living being or object that is not supported by their own shadow? Literally never. But in the case of Jagannath temple in Puri, it has been reported that the temple reflects no shadow at any time of the day from any direction. What do you have to say about that? Truly an architectural marvel and a surprising fact. Mystery number 5. The mystery of the Sudarshan Chakra or the Nila. If you must have ever been to the Jagannath temple, you must have surely noticed the Sudarshan Chakra or the Nila. It is a wheel made of 8 alloys that is mounted on the top of the longest shikhar or gopuram of the Jagannath temple, Puri. The circumference of the wheel is about 36 feet and weighs about a ton. Well, it is believed that the chakra was brought and installed in this temple around 2000 years back. One of the mysteries surrounding this chakra is which technique was used back then to install this chakra. Was there any machinery used? Was it put by some human force? Nobody knows. Another interesting fact of this chakra is that it looks exactly the same from every direction. Now, how can that be possible? Well, we still have no answers to it. Mystery number 6. An ancient soundproof chamber. The Jagannath Temple Puri has 4 doors, one in each direction. You must have missed this out, but do take a note that while stepping into the Singhadwar, the main door of the temple, located in an easterly direction. You will not hear any sound of the ocean waves. And once you leave the temple, the sound of the waves crashing on the sands was unmistakably audible. Another engineering marvel, another unexplained mystery, another divine manifestation. No answers, while an enduring enigma on the sands of time. Another one of the unexplained facts about Puri Jagannath. Mystery number 7. The temple's prasad never gets wasted. Having visited Jagannath temple, you can never truly miss out on savoring its prasad, which is cooked in earthen pots using firewood and tastes extremely delicious. The food never gets wasted here. The number of devotees visiting on any day in the temple ranges between 2000 to 20 lakhs. But the quantity of the prasad cooked here remains exactly the same throughout the year. Yet none of it goes insufficient or wasted. That's a strange phenomenon, and we are really inquisitive to know how that happens. Mystery number 8. Defying the laws of geography. It is a known geographical fact that the breeze from the sea blows towards the land during the daytime and the breeze from the land blows towards the sea during night times. However, it is a remarkable fact that these laws of geography are reversed near the source of the Jagannath temple in Puri, where the breeze from the sea blows during the night and the breeze from the land blows towards the sea during the daytime. The action of the winds that blow near the coast where the temple is situated remains as one of the scientific mysteries of Lord Jagannath temple in Puri. The ninth mystery, Navakalebar. Navakalebar is a symbolic recreation of the wooden forms of three Hindu deities, Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra, and the Sudarshan Chakra at Jagannath temple in Puri. In the cult of Jagannath, the ritual is performed during the 8th, 12th or 19th year after the previous Navakalebar. It was first organized in 1575 AD by Yaduvamshi king Ramchandra Dev. The 10th mystery, biggest Sattvic kitchen. The kitchens are vast, spread over an acre. No outsider is allowed inside the temple kitchen except the 1,000 male cooks who make 56 different kinds of offerings called the Chappan Bhog to serve to the gods 6 times a day. Inside, there are multiple rooms. 500 main cooks do the actual cooking here along with 300 assistant cooks. There are 752 chulas or stoves lit only with charcoal and wood as it was done in the olden days, imparting a dense smoky flavor to the food. The specialty of Mahaprasad preparation lies in its massive cooking, a unique steaming process in 7 earthen pots kept one above the other. The amazing part of this is that the topmost one cooks first and then the subsequent pots. Hope you liked the video. Jai Jagannath, Jai Balaram, Jai Subhadra. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.